Welcome back to What's in Store. We're continuing our visit with Russell Adams. He's the marketing director with the Louisiana State Fair. Of course, opening weekend coming up this weekend, right?
That's right. Thursday's opening day, so it's going to be a big weekend this week with a great rodeo on Friday and Saturday, and also the music. We got some really good concerts on Saturday with Frank Foster and Lainey Wilson.
And so this runs from October 22nd through November the 8th, but you guys aren't open on Mondays and Tuesdays, is that right?
That's correct. We are closed on Mondays and Tuesdays, so you folks in Alexander, don't drive all the way to Shreveport on Monday. I hate for you to waste your trip there, but it's a 14-day run, so we're over 3 weekends up there doing the fair. So. And
of course, one of the neat things about the fair is there's a number of free attractions. Let's talk about some of the attractions folks can expect to see when they go to the State Fair.
Well, your gate admission will, of course, get you into the fair. All of the attractions we have on the Midway and are free. I mean, that's just part of your admission. One of the big ones we have is Lou Mack, the Ultimate Dog Show. He takes rescue dogs. He's out of Las Vegas and does a really, really good job. We had him up for our Boat Sport and RV show back in January and decided to bring him back for the fair. He did such a good job with the crowds and his animals. These are rescue dogs that he trains, and he sets up the big water tank, the diving acts, and all the different tricks that he does with them. Very, very good entertainer, and you'll love Lou Mack and his dogs. Also, we have a big top circus going on throughout the whole show, or through the whole fair, and it's got the high wire acts and all the things that you can expect from a great big top circus. So real excited about that as well. And then we have a lot of street acts there. Dallas the Fire Guy juggles fire. He also eats fire, which don't try this at home. And then his son, they're out of Florida, and his son will ride with him, and he's an escape artist. They'll put him in a straitjacket, wrap him up in chains, and about 3 minutes he'll be out of that. He kind of worms he's a little skinny guy, so he can worm his way out of it, and it's really, really good fun to watch.
And there's a big rodeo this weekend.
Rodeo's this weekend. You'll love that. It's Friday and Saturday night in the Hirsch Coliseum. Friday night is tough enough to wear pink night, so a part of the proceeds from the rodeo will go to the Susan Coleman Race for the Cure.
Okay, and if folks want more information about tickets and logistics, where can they go to find that?
StateFairofLouisiana.com has all the ticket information you'd want to know, and as well as all the scheduling for concerts, attractions, anything you want to know about the fair. StateFairofLouisiana.com.
And bands this weekend. Who's playing this weekend?
Frank Foster. He lives in Nashville. He's actually a Louisiana boy, but he's made it pretty big up there. And Lainey Wilson, she's also a Louisiana girl, and she lives in Nashville. She'll be opening up for Frank.
So make sure you put the Louisiana State Fair on your calendar for this weekend. Hey, it's a great trip for the family. Don't forget to check out that website for all the details. That's today's What's in Store.